Kai begin the play. And Richard hit the back of Ryan, and Ryan defending. And Richard was looking at Ryan. And Ryan.
Ayaw,
Yes. And Ryan and Richard got 2 points.
Wow.
And Ryan shoot the 3 points. Yes, go, And Ryan, like Agurinha. Richard, get back to the ball.
Get back to the ring.
Out of bounds. And Richard looking at Ryan, and Ryan looking at the bones of Richard. And now they are looking at each other, and they are MU.
Ayaw ba?
And
May go pa.
he hit the stomach. And Richard, go.
Time.